I'm John with Caddy Daddy Presents. It is November the 1st, 2024, and here we are in Napa Valley. And I want to tell you about what really is my passion is 1959 Cadillacs. I built a piece of art honoring that. So I want to take you on this journey. I've always wanted to do a piece of art. I did it with my contractor, Dan Corbett, and we did this great project. So follow me into the entrance to my office and you'll be able to see it. So here we go. There it is, 117 59 Cadillac taillight lenses. This piece of art weighs over 200 pounds. I've got this great app on my phone and we're going to go show you how it works. So here we go. This is a great app. This is how I turn on the system. Now, I go there and I have this control. Here we go. That's a low mode. And then I can take it up. I haven't set different modes yet. I can take it all the way up to bright, bright. I mean, some people say I might be running a bordello, but I'm not. This is a 1959 piece of art. And it goes up and down. I can change it any way I want to go. And there we go. We're going all the way down to a nice mellow entrance to my office. I want to thank you for watching this episode on Caddy Daddy Presents, and I hope you share it. Have a great day.